Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the minimal working environment so you can write code immediately. Install Node, JS LTS and pick a browser with DevTools, then create a project folder and run npm in it to get package. JSON. Once done, install a bundler, Vite is fast, or configure Webpack. You should create index. HTML and main. JS, and make sure to use script type equals module so ES modules work. This gets you to a runnable page without lengthy setup, letting you test features as you build. Now implement the main functionality by organizing code into components, services, and utility modules so you can reason about behavior. You should fetch data with async/await and always wrap calls in try/catch to present fallbacks or retries when needed. Once data flows, update the DOM using event delegation for performance and maintain a simple state object. You can opt for a lightweight framework if the UI grows. Make sure to test interactions in DevTools and iterate until the core flows are stable. To finish, optimize and harden what you built. Bundle and minify assets, run Lighthouse and address performance hotspots. Add unit and integration tests so you can change code without regressions, and configure continuous integration to run them on every commit. Deploy to a CDN or static host and enable logging and error monitoring so you can spot issues in production. If something goes wrong, a key tip: reproduce locally with the same data and DevTools console, then trace the failing promise or DOM update to fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.